Pakistan is the country that is most interested in peace in Afghanistan. If there is one country in the world that wants peace in Afghanistan, that's Pakistan. We stand to lose the most if Afghanistan is destabilized. To blame Pakistan for the chaos in Afghanistan is a travesty of justice. It's something which is deliberately being done to fool the people of the United States. It's misleading the people of the US of the reality that how is it possible that just a few thousand insurgents from Pakistan are responsible for 16 years of NATO, at one point 150,000 NATO troops not winning, 200,000 plus Afghan army, and 150,000 NATO not winning in Afghanistan just because few thousand insurgents went from Pakistan? Is this plausible? In my opinion, this is exactly how Cambodia was destroyed during the Vietnam War. Cambodia was blamed for insurgents coming in and the reason why the Americans were not being successful in Vietnam. They bombed Cambodia, destabilized Cambodia. Pol Pot took over and 1 million Cambodians died because of that destabilization. Pakistan has suffered, a country that had nothing to do with the war on terror, 70,000 people dead, over $100 billion lost to our economy. We were told to do an operation in North Waziristan. Pakistan cleansed North Waziristan. 1 million people were made IDPs, internally displaced from North Waziristan. And still 50% of Afghanistan is, despite Pakistan clearing up North Waziristan, still half of Afghanistan is in Taliban hands. So who's responsible for this? To make Pakistan the scapegoat of a failed strategy in Afghanistan is not just a travesty of justice, it is deeply insulting and humiliating for people of Pakistan.